Hey, what's up guys, once again welcome back to my channel. Today we are drawing a simple practice drawing, so let's start. So this is our SolidWorks interface. So firstly select all the planes and click on show. Then firstly select top plane and click on sketch. Now we move to our object. So firstly we need to create the 56 diameter OD and 32 diameter ID circle or the tube. So firstly we go to the circle command and draw the circles. Draw the two circles. Outside diameter circle as 56. We create another circle and give the dimension as 32 mm. Now extrude that circles or the convert it into tube. So give the dimension of 56 as per our sketch. Now we need to create a slot of the 6 mm throughout the circle. Then we need to choose the top plane and click on sketch. Press Ctrl 8. Then draw the rectangle for the slot and give the dimension or the width of that rectangle as 6 mm and give the dimension to the length to center or the origin as 3 mm. So it will automatically gets the center of the rectangle. Then exit sketch. Then click on Extrude Cut and select the dimension as to all and click on OK. Now our slot is ready. Now go to the top plane and click on sketch. Now we need to create the profile which is up to that circle. So we need to draw it from the top plane. So whose width as 32 plus 8 plus 8, that is 48 mm, and the height is 24 mm, and whose length is 90 from the center of the circle or our tube. So let's draw. Then draw the line. Draw the vertical line and give dimensions to the line, which is 48 mm, and give the dimension to the line to center of the circle as 90 mm. Now firstly select the center of the line and the origin point and choose the horizontal. Now draw the other lines which are up to that circle. Firstly we need to convert that circle so we can easily get the reference points. Then draw the horizontal lines which crosses that circle. Now we can trim the remaining portion to get our profile. Now exit sketch. Now give the extruded height as 25 mm, so exit sketch. Go to the extrude boss and give the extruded length as 24 mm. Click on OK. Now we need to create a slot. of the arc 32, diameter 32, and the length as 40. So we need to choose the side of that object, side face. So choose the side face and click on sketch. Then choose the central arc, center point arc. Choose the center point and draw the arc. Of the R16. Then join the remaining point by the line. Exit sketch. Go to the Extrude Cut and choose the dimension as 40 mm. Click on OK. Now our sketch is ready. This is our total sketch as per drawing. Our drawing is complete. Subscribe my channel, guys. Hope you like the video. So thank you.